We're at Holland Bay. I'm standing on a bridge known as the Pile Bridge. This is naturally a canal for the area. Normally this water is clear, but the factory's wastewater goes into the canal when the factory is in operation. That is why the water is so dark.
This was a nursery, where we used to get sinapa, everything at Chineso. Them used to have a thing around there so where we used to carry the water around a big pan around here. So you find, then come and then make a road around there so. Then lift the culvert too high. So the water can't get to go over there again. So all of the black water force over this side and I kill everything over here so. It kill mullet, sunuk, joma,